If you're looking for a browser that helps save bandwidth and offers built-in privacy features, Opera might be exactly what you need. This tutorial demonstrates how to download and install Opera browser on your Windows 10 computer. To begin the installation process, you'll need to use your current web browser. Open either Microsoft Edge or whichever browser you have available on your Windows 10 machine. Once your browser is open, navigate to the address bar and type in Opera Browser Download, then hit Enter to search. Then, look for the official Opera website in the search results. It should appear as opera.com at or near the top of the results. Click on this link to access the official download page. This ensures you're getting the genuine software directly from Opera's developers. On the Opera homepage, you'll immediately notice a prominent download button, usually labeled Download Now. So, click this button to initiate the download process. The installer file will begin downloading automatically. If for any reason it doesn't start right away, there should be a retry or manual download option available on the page. Once the download completes, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Simply double-click on this file to launch the installation process. When the installer launches, you'll see an installation prompt. So, click on Accept and Install button to begin the installation process. Then, click Accept to start installation. Keep your internet connection active at this stage. The installer will pull down all the necessary Opera browser files from the official servers as part of the setup process. Once the installation completes, you'll notice that Opera automatically creates a desktop shortcut for easy access. You also have the option to pin Opera browser directly to your taskbar by clicking Yes button when prompted. Now, click on Get Started button to begin the initial setup. To move forward, simply click Next button. For the theme selection, choose whichever option suits your preference, then click Next to continue. Don't worry if you're unsure about these settings. You can always customize Opera browser later through the settings menu. You now have Opera browser successfully installed on your Windows 10 system and you're ready to start browsing. Thank you for watching.